There are hundreds of tools for content creation, but which ones should an instructor with limited time and money use? Probably not those costing thousands of dollars, nor those requiring months of training. So I give you here some fairly simple recipes for online content that use readily available, inexpensive ingredients. Text should be attractive and meaningful and efficient. Heading styles in Word translate directly to web page heading styles, making it easy for someone with a screen reader to browse a document. Formatting in color can enhance readability, but be careful not to rely on color alone, otherwise the document could become inaccessible to people with visual difficulties. Any images or other meaningful graphic elements should also include text descriptions in metadata. Good quality audio can be added easily to PowerPoint with a USB headset or a slightly better podcast microphone. Blackboard also has its own audio tool that can include audio comments from students. PowerPoint has gotten a bad reputation as stupefying, and it is true that some publishers' slide decks are deadly. But increasingly instructors understand that a PowerPoint slideshow can be a valuable presentation supplement if thought is put into its design. With plenty of graphics and a minimum of text, PowerPoint can be every bit as exciting as Prezi. I am not going to say much about Prezi. The best way to find out is to visit the site and learn about it there, or go to YouTube. Because of its path design principle, Prezi can be used very effectively to show relationships and context. It is also possible to get motion sickness watching a poorly designed Prezi. I have chosen not to become a Prezi expert, but to stick with PowerPoint. You do not have to be a Hollywood director to produce useful video. A little preparation can turn a utilitarian lecture into a pleasant experience for your students. If you are filming content that you have presented in the past, and if you speak easily, you may not need a script. I usually do use a script, and I rehearse. By the way, when shooting your face, make sure that you are not silhouetted by a window or room light behind you. If the computer screen is your main light source, add a lamp with a neutral color at about 45 degrees off-center. I was very excited when Microsoft released Office Mix for PowerPoint, and I used it a few times to create movies with its free screen recording tool. But Microsoft refers to Mix as beta software, and it crashed several times when I needed it. But I needed something simple for screen capture. So I tried Jing by TechSmith and became hooked on its ease of use. Jing is not a video editor, but it can send a capture to Camtasia for editing, and we license that program for faculty use. So my new recipe is create an outline for what I want to do. This can be a document, storyboard, or rough PowerPoint. Write a script and read it out loud at least once. I write my script in the speaker's notes, then copy them to Word. If you are like me, the first time you read it, you will find phrases that need to be changed. Capture the audio and screen with Jing. Edit in Camtasia. Additional graphics, audio, and video can be combined in Camtasia. Produce MP4 video in Camtasia. I use the MP4 only setting, and then upload to an unlisted video in my channel in YouTube. If you have posted your video to YouTube as public, you can use the Blackboard YouTube mashup and search for it.
But if your video is unlisted, your best bet is to paste its embed code into an item.
To do so, click the Share icon for your video, then the Embed button. Press Ctrl+C to copy the embed code. In Learn, edit the item where you want the YouTube link. Click the HTML button in the toolbar to open the code editor. Use Ctrl+V to paste. If the item contains complicated HTML that you do not understand, cancel the edit and instead create a new item where you can paste the embed code without fear of damaging anything. Once done, click the Update button to update the item and submit.